Hey guys, it's Ro. Welcome back to my channel. I am so excited for today's video because I have been wanting to announce this secret project for years. This little nugget, your cinnamon roll, has her own TV show on HBO. The show is called Baketopia. It's a whole utopia of baking. It is a baking competition show where 3 really talented bakers compete every episode to win, and the winner of each episode wins $10,000. There's a first tier challenge and a top tier challenge. Pun intended. The first challenge is a mini challenge, and the second challenge is a big baking challenge. And the winner of the second challenge wins it all. And the winner of the first challenge receives a $1,000 cash prize and the golden rolling pin. It's a little gold rolling pin that you get to wear on your apron. On the show, I am hosting and judging. As for judges for the show, there's 2 others alongside me, one of which you may know, you may be familiar with, my good friend DONAL Ski-Hand. He's my Irish brother from another mother. We have been friends and known each other for years, and you may remember us making a bunch of videos here together on the channel.
Are you looking at me directly in the eye now?
It's not coming, Ro! Oh my god, I totally stole that from you! I don't know what came over me!
DONAL knows so much about food. He is an expert chef who has traveled the world. He is my expert on taste. And our other judge is someone that I really admire. It is a renowned cake artist. He is so skilled. The way he decorates cakes and cookies and desserts, I've just never seen anything like it. Like those hyper-realistic cakes, he can do those so quickly. I've seen him do it. It's incredible. It's TIMBO Sullivan! Woo! Who I finally, after months, convinced to start a TikTok. So I'll be putting that link down below. Go follow him there. I will be putting actually all of their links down below on social media. So if you want to go check out the other judges and follow them and show them some love, please do. These guys know food. We joke on the show, they are my fellow judges, but we are also the Cake Council. We meet, we deliberate, and we make hard decisions. I love it. You guys are gonna see so much talent. Every episode, there's 3 bakers. Some of the competitors were home bakers, some owned their own bakeries, and some were really fancy pastry chefs. To all of the bakers and competitors we had on the show, thank you for making our jobs hard. You all were so talented that sometimes it was extremely difficult to choose a winner, and that's just kudos to you and your skills, and we love you, and we had so much fun. And when you're watching the show, I think you're really going to see this. You're going to see how talented these bakers are, how tough these decisions were to make, and it's really going to showcase all their skills and abilities. The set is magical. It is a baker's dream. It's just larger than life. This was the biggest production that I've been a part of so far, and it was just massive. The crew is amazing, and after each episode, we'd been filming all day, we would have a little dance party. We'd just turn on the tunes, and as we were picking up and cleaning up, we would just boogie. So without further ado, let's roll the trailer. Welcome to Baketopia! I'm Rosanna Pansino, writer of cookbooks, maker of viral baking videos.
We better get it tagged.
And creator of the sugary wonderland you see around me. So excited. That someone is 1 cake away from $10,000.
Oh my gosh.
Bakers, are you ready? Go. This isn't your basic baking show.
Party time.
Oh, she broke out the good stuff.
I feel like she knows me. I'm mashing up major baking trends
I feel like we have defied the laws of jelly.
and challenging bakers to create new ones.
This is definitely a beast of a challenge. It's gonna be a battle.
Bakers can experiment,
Hey, Gregory, don't set the place on fire!
be themselves, and taste their full potential.
You guys judge, I'm gonna just keep going.
Don't just follow the trends, bake them. That's it. I hope hope you guys enjoyed the trailer. I am so excited for the show and I cannot wait for you guys to see it. So mark your calendars, March 25th. It's coming out and I'm gonna plan a live stream to watch it live with you all here on YouTube. Yeah! I might even wear my party dress again. We'll see. This is the dress that I was gonna wear if we had a launch party, but you know, the world is still what it is, so we're celebrating at home alone. But you know what? We're not gonna celebrate alone, Mike. It's not just gonna be you, me, and the dogs. I can wear this and we can party together. And then it's gonna feel like a real party. You know what I really like about these stay-at-home parties? You can wear Ugg boots. And look, it's like party on the top and then cozy on the bottom. And nobody knows, you know? It's kind of awesome. I might wear a sweatsuit, guys. I'm gonna be honest. Do you care if I wear a sweatsuit? Please say no in the comments down below. Please say you don't care if I'm wearing a sweatsuit. I honestly just can't wait for you to check out this show and to see all the talented bakers and to fall in love with these two amazing judges. I love them so much. We're like the three musketeers or whatever. Timbo is evaluating expertly on decoration and design and technique, and Donal is evaluating like the expert he is on taste and flavor and bake. And I not only want your desserts to look good and taste good, but I am looking for creativity. I'm looking for a showstopper. Personally, as a foodie, I watch so many food and baking competition shows, and this one I am obsessed with. I love it. We really took a lot of time and effort to develop challenges that were really skill-based, but also really pushed bakers and their creativity. And in a lot of cases, magic happened. Like foods were created, desserts were created that I've never seen before, and I cannot wait for you to see them because creativity is something that I'm so passionate about, and you see it on this show. Also, when making the show, I was allowed to have a lot of fun with the outfits and the wardrobe, and I went all out. Every episode has custom shoes and they are adorable. I'm going to be honest, some of the episodes I remember by my outfit name. For example, cookies and cream episode. Here's my outfit. You have to watch the season to see my other outfits, but they are all themed and I went all out. I had so much fun. Like one of the outfits, I look like a big poof ball. Like I look like cotton candy. I'm obsessed. It was great. All right, that does it for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed the trailer, and I'm just so happy I finally am able to share with you all this big super secret project that I've been working on for almost 2 years now, and I cannot wait for you to be able to see it. I'm so proud of it. It is just larger than life. It is the coolest thing ever, and I'm super proud of it. So keep your eyes out. It should be live in 2 weeks, March 25th. If you like baking shows, give this video a thumbs up, click subscribe, and ring the bell to receive notifications every time I post a new video, because I have some very exciting videos coming out this year. All right, thanks again for watching, you guys. Bye-bye. And if you'd like to watch any other videos, you can click up here or up here. All right, bye-bye.